Akumodon on Jabbama. Today we are going to talk on the body parts. Bandu, balli, hore, ko'e, jungo, juuɗe, kosngal, kosɗe, yeeso, geeshe, hitere, gite, girawol, giraaji, waywayko, waywaykoji, kinal, kine, honduko, konduɗe, tondu, tondi, ñiindere, ñi'e, ɗemgal, ɗemɗe, nowru, noppi, wakkude, bakkuɗe, walbo, balbe, gabare, gabaje, reedu, deeɗi, daande, daaɗe, ɓaawo, ɓaawe, hoondu, kooli, hoondu koyngal, kooli koyɗe, newre, newe, teppere, teppe, soɓɓundu, soɓɓuli, howru, koppi, dango, dawɗe, poɗere, pooɓe, ngaandi, gaandiji, ƴiiƴam, ƴiiƴamji, ƴi'al, ƴi'e, ɓernde, ɓerɗe. Thank you very much. We will see you for the next video. Nyallen jam.